Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Rite Aid. Rite Aid was my original love for couponing. Oh my gosh. But anyways, we are at Rite Aid and we are here to do some deals for the week of the 2nd through the 8th of October. Now, typically I won't do a separate video for Rite Aid, but we've got some pretty good deals that I'm going to need some time to explain to you guys. And the deals that I typically do with Walgreens really needed its own video as well. So sorry about the lighting here. It's making my mouth look a little bit swollen here, but I promise, everything is fine. So anyways, maybe if I lean back here a little bit, but nothing is swollen or anything like that. So for this week, we have a booster in the ad that is spend 40, get back $10 in bonus cash. Now with that barcode, you can only do the deal one time, but there are other barcodes out there that you can do it 3 other times on an account, which is the typical case. Usually you get one on the ad, or in the ad, you get one through social media, email, and the website. I can't ever find them, so I just go to Coupons R Sweet's Instagram and I screenshot them. So I also suggest that you go to her page as well. I typically will put them up in my highlighted section on my Instagram, just because that's just probably the easiest place to put it, but I can also put them on screen here and you can screenshot them as well. We can also pair that in with other really great deals that we got going on this week. There is a huge Kimberly-Clark promotion where you spend $60, you get back $20 in bonus cash, and that includes Cottonelle. Massive things of Cottonelle. I'm so excited. We have a really good vitamin deal, and we also have a good P&G promotion as well. So I'm really excited about that. Now I am also going to be splitting my transactions up. That way I can get the most bang for my buck. And we're going to be doing it in $40 increments, because that's a big number to get to, $60. So if we do 2 $40 transactions, we'll be getting more bonus cash back that way. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. I won't be putting a Google Doc down below in the description box for this because it's not that many deals, so I don't think I need to do a special Google Doc for it. But typically I do put Google Docs down below in the description box. So that's really all for the intro of the Rite Aid video. So let's go inside and see what we can do. So we're starting out with our first transaction, the Kimberly-Clark promotion. I am grabbing the Cottonelle. The Kimberly-Clark promo is spend $60, get back $20 in bonus cash. You can do that deal twice on your account. The Cottonelle is on sale for $12.60. This is a 12-count mega roll. We get the 9-count mega roll at Walgreens, but this is 12-count. So I'm really happy with that. I'm only going to grab 2 of these. The total will equal out to $25.20. I do want to add something else into this transaction because I want to get to $40. So we're going to use these $2 coupons from the $9.25 save insert. So I'm using 2 of those at $2 off. So then we're going to go over and we're going to grab some Nature's Bounty vitamins. So these are buy one get one free. When you buy one, you will get back $5 in bonus cash with a limit of 4. So the free one that you grab will also give you back $5 in bonus cash. So these are $14.99. I have a $2 coupon that I'm going to use from the 10-2 save insert. Just make sure you use the correct one because this was not the correct one. So that's going to bring your total down to $12.99. You'll pay that, but then you're going to get back $10 in bonus cash. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, and you're going to submit it for $3 back on each one of them. And then when you buy 2 of them or submit 2 offers, you will get back a $1 bonus. So you'll get back $7 on Ibotta. Making these free in a $4.01 moneymaker. Now, double check the other jelly bean vitamins because I do believe they all attach to that Ibotta rebate, not just the kids' multi-jelly beans. So that's all for the first transaction. The 2 toilet papers and the 2 vitamins will equal out to $40.19. And we are going to use $6 in coupons. It'll take our total down to $36.19. And then we will be getting back $20 in bonus cash, 10 for the vitamins, and 10 for the booster. And now we're going to do another transaction to finish up that Kimberly-Clark promotion. So then I went to another store to do my other transaction. We're going to finish up the Kimberly-Clark promotion. I need $34.80 in product to reach that $60 mark. So I'm grabbing 2 more of the Cottonelle toilet paper. That'll equal out to $25.20. But then I'm going to grab some Kleenex. They have these really big packs of Kleenex that are 6 boxes in a bundle pack for $8.99. So I'm going to grab one of those, and I'm still going to be about 80 cents short. So I'm just going to grab a single box of Kleenex. There are 3 for $5, but I'm only grabbing one, so they are $1.99, and that's going to put me at the $60 mark for the Kimberly-Clark promotion. So this looks like a ton of stuff, but it's actually not. So I'm going to use a $1 off coupon for the Kleenex, and then the $2 off coupons for the Cottonelle, also from the $9.25 save insert. So now that we have completed the Kimberly-Clark promotion, we're still not quite at $40, so that we get that additional $10 in bonus cash. I'm going to add in the P&G promotion. The P&G promotion is spend 15, get 5, and it includes Febreze, Dawn, I do believe Swiffer, and Mr. Clean. So I'm going to grab 2 of the Mr. Clean products. The Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, Magic Eraser sheets are for $5.49 on sale. So I'm going to grab one of those. I've never tried these before. And I'm also going to grab a 2-pack of Magic Erasers for $3.29. So that's all that this store has. So I'm going to grab some Febreze small spaces. They are on sale for $3.29 a piece. So that is going to be $15.48. That is going to be enough to complete that spend 15, get 5. So we're going to use 2 $2 coupons for the Febreze small spaces that come from the October P&G. Then we're going to use a $1 coupon and a $2 coupon on the Mr. Clean products. Those come from the 10 to save inserts. So after the coupons, our total will be $8.48. We're going to get back $5 in bonus cash, making all 4 products just $3.48, which I think is an incredible deal. Now I have a Febreze bonus cash challenge where you spend 15, you get back $5, and so I have 2 of the Febreze small spaces that will count towards that. And in order to get over the $15 mark, I'm just going to grab a double pack here of the Febreze that's on sale for $9.99. I have that $5 coupon, so I'll only pay $4.99 for this, and then that will trigger that bonus cash challenge as well. But that is everything that I have for today that I'm grabbing at Rite Aid. I would love to come back and do more toilet paper scenarios because I just love stocking up on this stuff. So let's go out to the car and see how everything went. All right, guys, so we are back in from Rite Aid, and I only had the $2 coupon beat for the Nature's Bounty, but that could have been the wrong Nature's Bounty coupon, or just didn't jive well with the kids' version of vitamins that I got. But that is okay. My store put it through for me because I'm pretty sure that coupon said $2 off any Nature Bounty product. So anyways, other than that, everything went beautifully. It went smooth. I just love it. So I did 2 transactions. I did one at one store and one at another store. The first transaction, I got 2 of the toilet papers, and then I got 2 of the Nature's Bounty Jelly Bean vitamins. So my total for that transaction after my coupons, and I did use that $5 off flu coupon. After that coupon and my other coupons, my total was $29.19. I used bonus cash to pay for that, so I didn't pay anything out of pocket for that one. Then I got back my $10 in bonus cash for the booster, and I got back $10 in bonus cash for the vitamins. $5 for each one. That is a limit of 4. So even though you buy one and you get one free, you still get $5 off of that free one. So I did get back $20 in bonus cash on that transaction. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back $7 on Ibotta, $3 for each one of the vitamins plus $1 bonus. And that come back already, and so super happy with that. So then I also submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards, got back 21 cents for the Cottonelle, and so then that made my total for that transaction just $1.98. Pretty good. Pretty good if you ask me. Then I did another transaction to finish up the Kimberly-Clark deal, and so I used I think it's the website one that I used the second time around, so I still technically do 2 more transactions on my account. I do have another account, but I don't really use it, and there's no bonus cash on there, so I don't really use it. So on this transaction, I got 2 more of the Cottonelle, I got a big bundle of Kleenex, and then I got 1 little box of Kleenex. Then I got 2 Mr. Cleans, 2 small spaces, and then I added in the $10 Febreze refills because I wanted to meet my bonus cash challenge of the Febreze. So my total for that transaction after my coupons, because I did use that $5 food coupon again, my total was $39.53. I used $30 in bonus cash, and I used it from the previous transaction. It was already available to use again. It hasn't been like that in the past, but it's like that now, which is nice because then you just can keep rolling your bonus cash. So then I got back $35 in bonus cash. So I got 20 for the Kimberly-Clark, I got 10 for the booster, and then I got 5 for the Febreze and the Mr. Clean. I'll also get back $5 from my bonus cash challenge for the Febreze, where I needed to spend $15 and I would get another $5 back. So I've got that done. So I'm getting $40 back in bonus cash for that transaction. I submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards, got back 26 cents on Fetch for the Kleenex and the Cottonelle, and then I submit my receipt to Ibotta and get back 75 cents for each one of the Cottonelles, making that transaction a $2.23 moneymaker. Since that was a moneymaker and my other transaction was $1.98, everything is free plus a 25-cent moneymaker, and it's not a big moneymaker, but you know what? That's okay. I got four of those Cottonelles, a huge thing of Kleenex, a little box of Kleenex. I just am so happy with everything that I got for free and a quarter. It could just be free, just flat free, and I would love it just the same. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you. And let me know if you want to see more Rite Aid videos by themselves, or if you just like it when I tack on a few extra Rite Aid deals on the end of a Walgreens video. So anyways, guys, that is really all I have today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.